Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the HONITURE V8 Pro robot vacuum and mop combo. This powerful device boasts a whopping 5,000 pascals max suction power, ensuring 96% effective cleaning coverage, and can run for up to 180 minutes, effortlessly tackling areas up to 200 square meters. Equipped with advanced 5.0 LiDAR navigation, it builds maps twice as fast as ordinary robot vacuums, storing up to 5 maps for efficient cleaning across your entire home. The 3-in-1 design allows it to vacuum, sweep, and mop simultaneously, with adjustable water and suction settings to suit any floor type, from hard floors to low-pile carpets. With convenient app control, you can customize cleaning modes, set virtual walls, and even integrate with Alexa for hands-free operation, ensuring a tailored cleaning experience. The smart carpet cleaning feature automatically boosts suction power on carpets, leaving no dust behind, while its self-charging capability means it returns to its dock when the battery is low and resumes cleaning once recharged. Included with the robot vacuum are essential accessories and a 24-month warranty, backed by lifelong technical support and dedicated customer service for your peace of mind.